Okay guys, today in this video, Shy and Malia are going to be doing a school project, well, an experiment or whatever. It's called the dancing popcorn. The dancing popcorn experiment.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. It's a family thing. Came with the Macher gang. It's a family thing. Came with the Macher gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Sade, Micah's, Leah, Shy. Y'all really all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. Came with the Macher gang. Gang.
Welcome back, gang. Welcome to our channel. We are the Macher gang. And if you like this video and if you never came to our video, then subscribe and watch our videos because we have a lot of videos. And thank you all for letting us get to 95 subscribers. And click the notification and click the subscribe button, and please give us a big thumbs up if you like it.
And for this experiment, you won't need much. All you would need is like a glass bowl. We decided to use a water jug that we had and cut it in half. We'll cut the top off. Some vinegar, some white vinegar, some popcorn kernels, some baking soda, which we have in here. That's the baking soda, and then a spoon, of course, to mix everything around. So this is called the dancing popcorn experiment. This is a science experiment that we're doing for today. We learned about popcorn all day today for homeschool and how it pops and different fun things that you can do with popcorn. So this is the experiment for today. If you didn't know, the kids are homeschooled. Shy is 3, so we're just starting him off, but Malia is in 2nd grade, so she's 8, and we do homeschooling. Okay, so let's get right into this video. And Yara wants to say hey.
Say hey, Yara. Say hello.
Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. We're gonna start off by, we're gonna pour the baking soda inside of the jug. So, all right, so let's go ahead and pour the baking soda inside of the jug. Shadi, get on the table and come pour this in here, okay? And pour it in the water, okay? You got it? Good job, Shadi. He did it. All right, now you gotta stir it up. So use the spoon and stir it up, guys. I'm still got a lot in there. Okay. Good job, Shadi. Now you're gonna stir it to mix up the baking soda. And this is dancing popcorn, so we're gonna see if the popcorn can dance or not. Okay, you got that mix? Did you mix up the bottom real good? Because then we're going to go ahead and add in our popcorn kernels. Go ahead and pour that in, Shadi. And Lee, you're going to pour the vinegar in last, okay? Woo!
And some is gonna pop.
And mix it up, Shadi. And then Lee, you're going to go ahead and pour in the vinegar after that. So Shadi, mix it up a little bit, stir it up a little bit. Break them kernels up. Good job. Mix it like that. Okay. And then now, Leah, go ahead and add the vinegar to it. And let's see what happens. Because we all know when vinegar and baking soda mix, it's that fuzzy. Oh, wow. Let's see what it does. Let's see if the popcorn does anything. Oh, they're going down to the bottom and popping up.
It smells like vinegar chip.
The vinegar. I hope we put enough of everything.
The popcorn mix it down. It's
a
dancing.
chemical reaction. Oh wow, did that one pop? Or are they just stuck together?
They're stuck together.
Okay, so they're going down to the bottom and then popping back up.
It's probably gonna pop. Can I get this?
Yes.
Okay.
Dancing popcorn.
Dancing popcorn.
I seen a video and it actually was like popping. Some of them are popping. Like, look, guys. Spoke it.
Are popping.
Some of them are big. They wasn't like that when we first put in there. Okay, put that one right there.
Stuck in a bubbles.
Yes.
They're stuck in bubbles.
They stuck in the bubbles. It was supposed to be really dancing. I think they're stuck together. Let's try to mix it up a little bit.
It's probably because they're stuck together.
Yara, what are you doing?
Yara, stop scaring me.
Thank you.
Can I get that?
So maybe we did something wrong. Did I miss something? Let's pour some more baking soda in here.
Yeah, let's pour some more baking soda.
Let's see.
Can I pour it?
Yeah. I don't know what we did wrong. The one I seen, it just kept dancing. It was just dancing. The popcorn literally, oh man, it's white. And it was in a glass bowl too, so that kind of probably made it different. Got messy. We can't even see through the water anymore. When the water settles, hopefully we can see through it.
I see it popping and it's... Oh, it's corner still at the bottom. It's still at the bottom.
Yeah,
We probably did something.
we missed something. Maybe we add some more vinegar. I don't know.
We need some more vinegar.
We need a reaction.
How about...
We need a reaction. There we go. There we go.
Popcorn goes stuck.
Do y'all see them? How they look? Some of them popped out of the little kernel.
I don't see them.
But
I
yeah,
can see it out of...
that's how it dances. It goes to the bottom and
Oh, look at
pops
that.
back up to the top. Do y'all see it happening?
Look at that.
It worked, kind of.
It's
But
got to go down.
it's like they pop up from the bottom.
Look at that Megan. Look at that
But we got a
Megan.
lot in here, guys. It's doing it. It's just not. It's just.
Oh, it's so strong. Oh, can I mix?
This science experiment. So, guys, what did you learn about popcorn?
Popcorn is a special.
What did you learn about popcorn, Daddy?
You can do popcorn
You don't know.
many ways. Oh, it's popcorn. You can do popcorn many ways.
Yes, you can even make melt caramel on the stove and then put the kernels inside of the caramel and pop the popcorn. We're going to try that too, but not today because we don't have just the plain kernels. Maybe that could have been it, you know, because we didn't have the kernels that we had weren't plain. I don't know. We tried though, guys, and that'll be all for this video today. If you did like this video and enjoy it, please leave us a huge thumbs up. If you want to be initiated to our gang, all you got to do is just hit that subscribe button to be part of the Maker gang. Because ain't no gang like the Maker gang, okay? So
I got it.
definitely. I can't put no more in there, Shawty. That's it. All right, tell the gang bye, guys, and tell them we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, gang. We'll see you in the next video.
Want to join our gang? Subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang.